Click on your computer start menu and open settings. In settings, select system, then select notifications. Under notification settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. And here you have to uncheck all of these three options. Now, from this app list, go ahead and find out inappropriate apps and disable app notification from here. Or you can completely disable notifications. So if you turn off this notification option completely, now on you won't get any pop-ups, notifications or pop-ups apps on your computer. You can also disable ads or pop-up notifications for your computer lock screen. Just go to your settings again, go to personalization, go to lock screen, and here you find this option, get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. So must uncheck this option, and that's how we can actually disable pop-up notifications in our PC.